Today I will be going to sa kaibigan ko kasi nagyaya siya ng sobrang rush. So pupunta kami sa restaurant and kakain kami together with my friend. See you guys. Sa El Patron dahil dyan.
Mabuhay Philippines. Kamusta mga taga-Samar? Aadi kami mga ngaon na liwat, magpapatambo ka namon mga kuwan, mga alams na. Panoorin nyo ang diba? Nakalimutan ko. Panoorin nyo ang panoorin nyo ang diba? Nakalimutan ko. Baka yung nagmamayari ng vlogs na to, panoorin nyo, follow nyo siya, subscribe. Labi na mga taga-Samar, kamusta ka mo dida?
Yan. So, lahat kami naghihintay ng pagkain namin. Yan.
Nagugutom na ako kay Iha Nira.
Kaiha nira, umihi ka dyan, sabi niya. Sabi mo kasi kaiha.
Kaiha, matagal.
Kaiha. O yan, kaiha.
Pagkain namin.
Ayan. Si...
Papakinan lang namin to kasi libre lang naman to eh. Libre ng, ano ba tawag?
El Patron.
Libre din ng salsa, so kakain na lang kami.
Tignan mo,
para pagdating yung pagkain namin, busog na kami, uwi na kami.
This is unbelievable. She became talkative. She's the vlogger.
I'm so hungry.
Ayan, yun. Nag-ano siya, nagtawag niya,
This is the one sunoy.
Yeah. Ayan. O, buntis. Ayan, ganda no? Ganda. Ganda. Dalagang Pilipina nga. Dalagang Pilipina. May dalagang Pilipina ka, dalagang Pilipina. Hindi dalagang Pilipina, may pag-ganon. Ate Crystal, ikaw nga, dalagang Pilipina, yeah.
Dalang-dalang Pilipino.
Ayan na, sige, mamaya naman. Gutom na.
Dalang Pilipino. Dalang Pilipino.
Kasi sa'yo lang eh. Kasi pag ginanon ko, hindi ka na makikita. Did you work out today? You're supposed to work out.
Miko, her turn to the gym. Her turn to play.
Yeah. It's gilid. It's gilid.
But why namatay?
Hindi. Natabunan ko na. Natabunan ko. Nakagilid siya. Nahihirapan ako. Dapat kasi may wide to eh. Wide
Lens?
Yeah. But where?
Is that the one you use for photographer?
I sold it.
She's also a photographer.
She's talented.
Now it's
Talented.
No.
gonna add water.
Photographer.
Oh, like what kind of
I do people.
yeah, people.
Wedding photo.
Oh no, I did engagement, ball, Marifer ball, first birthday. Yeah.
Make yours louder because everyone's loud too. Josh, I said it's too loud.
¿Quesadilla está ahí? ¿Quesadilla?
He's red.
Taco, ¿no?
Taco? Taco.
Niño, ¿entender?
Tender.
Josh.
Ay, si pisitahan, no?
Thank you.
Ay, si pisitahan, no?
Salamat. Thank you.
Yeah.
This is yours.
Layo naman ang ano nila ng sauce
Who
dito.
take the body? Let's take the body.
Nang ano?
Then
Andun sa may
Peter.
bar. Tatamad ako maglakad.
Next time.
Take a first bite. Nam nam.
Andre, dito.
Thank you for, sabihin mo ka mo, thank you for letting me out.
This is, what about this?
Sa'yo lahat yung nandun yung camera.
What about your kids?
Tilapia.
Mga 30 minutes na, wala pa din yung food namin. Ito na.
Yung waiter ang kakainin ko.
Sila kumakain na, oh. May mga food na sila. Ganito dito sa Amerika eh. Kung sino yung maganda, sila yung nauuna. Ganito dito sa Amerika. Diba, te? Diba, te? Agree ka doon? Pagka
Yeah.
maganda, nauunang kumakain. Kaya kumain ka na kanina pa.
Fruities daw kasi kaya.
So, sabi nila, oh my God, she's pregnant. She better be eating right now. Yan. Wala pa rin yung food namin. So, katamad mag-vlog kapag ganito. Hawak-hawak ko lagi.
That's what they do, right? They hold the camera.
I like that. What's up, guys? Guys, grabe ang laki talaga niya. Mas malaki pa sa palad.
I thought it was small.
Some of it. Some of it. Do you want some of it? Do you eat fish? Manana?
Right?
Tilapia?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like tilapia.
Do you want some?
Try.
Okay, yeah, here. You guys can have some. Because that's too big for
Kumain
me.
ka muna.
No,
Napahati tayo.
no. Go eat first. Go get some.
Ano mo siya? Beo, dito.
Sige
Wala
na.
kang plato. Naganda ko ng plato para sa mga bata.
Ha? Plato daw.
Uy.
Kuya,
Kaya plato?
kuya, plato daw.
Platito.
Oh, there's one more here.
Sige, sabihan ko sila pag plato tayo.
Oh, your friends are.
Hindi kasi ano,
I'm thirsty.
Vlog pa
sabi kita.
I'm thirsty.
Yeah.
No, just wait. Malaki pa.
Sige na, maganda yan. So,
We leave it to mommy. And I leave the kids. I'm going to carry the rest.
sit down there.
I told him. You keep everything, I just feed the kids.
Okay, you're gonna take
Yeah, that's it. Because I cannot leave it alone. Kala ko,
Anong sisalo?
kala ko wala na akong pag-asa.
Kasi alam na kasi na kahit may marami ka anak.
Patayin ko lang naman tayo.
Did you show the food?
Yeah, look at that. After. Ano, busog ka na? Busog
Yeah,
ka na?
I'm happy now with that.
Sa akin, nahirapan akong ubusin. Sebe, where's your food? It's all gone. Charan! So cute! Oh.
Yeah, tilapia.
Mahal?
Mahara.
Mahara.
Tagalog.
No, tilapia. In Tagalog. Yeah.
Same in English, tilapia.
Ah, okay.
What about Japan?
Tilapia?
Yeah. Just tilapia?
Tilapia, yes.
Oh, yeah. Wow. That's awesome, tilapia. Have you heard about Have you heard about the song Japanglish?
No,
Have you
what
heard
is
that
that?
song? Have you heard it?
No.
They're like talking about Japanese, Okinawa, like, is it was cute that when they speak Japanese and they try to speak English, it's like so cute, like yung KitKat nila, Kitto, Katto, Starbucks.
No.
Ang ganda nun, be. Listen to it.
In YouTube?
Miko, yeah, Japanglish.
That soda.
Yeah.
Ah.
Oh, kasi ang cute.
I know.
She don't know anything about
She's like in YouTube.
I don't know anything about Japan. I watch regular shows. I don't really watch TV a lot.
No, my husband make me listen to it, the Japanglish song.
I'm very Filipino.
Tagalog, yeah. Ka nanonood ng YouTube?
Nanonood ako si Anna Kai. I only watch Anna Kai sometimes.
Who's Anak Kai?
She's a blogger too.
Oh, I
She's a
don't know her.
YouTuber. She's a Filipino YouTuber.
I don't know. Ay, Anak Kai! Sponsor! Anak Kai! Ano? Platito. For platito.
Oh, platito.
Oh no, kutsara. Yeah, kutsara. Yan.
Dessert yun.
Ay! Nag-split na. Oh, enough na. Alright, ang total is
Ay, mura ng akin.
$28.
Sampu.
22 lang.
Total
20 sa
$30 pa lang.
Hmm?
$30. So, ano yan? 1,500. Tapos yung naging kinain namin
Funny
tilapia.
video.
No,
Ang isang buong tilapia, 1,000 pesos.
Oo, isang buong tilapia, 1,000 pesos. Pero sa Pilipinas,
Funny video.
gano lang yan?
Ilang kilo? Ang kilo is 150.
906 lang?
Oo, ang mura no.
Binili mo kasi mura eh. Magkano sa'yo?
Magmingi. 22. Kasi ang extra rice is $2.
Patingin. Oh, patingin.
Dad.
Ay, hawakan mo. Patingin.
Mm.
Isip lang, mas mahal pa sa akin.
At ito kasi.
Apparently is one of the
Alright. Kamusta kami? Bye. It was nice to meet you. Bye. Bye. Kamusta kami? Gina, come on. Gina, mauna na kayo. Sunod na ako.
Ba't namumula yung mukha niya?
Josh, go.
Tired.
My God, wala akong bit-bit, no? Sorry.
Bukas din, alis tayo?
Yeah.
Mas mababago naman isip ko.
Hindi, gusto ko kasing pagawa yung kilay.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely.